Hello friends, I'm Deepika. Welcome to my channel Learning Hub. Today we discuss the topic problem solving techniques. Basically we use the two important methods for problem solving techniques. One is the algorithm and second is the flowchart. First we discuss the why problem solving techniques used. To create efficient, effective programs, you should adopt a proper problem solving method and use appropriate technique. If you want to create an effective program, if you want to create a efficient program, you should use a proper problem solving method and appropriate technique. And problem solving step, what we followed the step for problem solving: first is analyze the problem, second is design the solution, and after implement the solution, and next is a test. Basically a four main step is: first is analyze the problem, identify and analyze the problem. What is the problem? Why this problem arise? What is the main purpose of the problem? What is the input of the problem? What is the output? And second is find its solution. Find the solution, and after finding the solution, develop a algorithm, design a algorithm, design a simple step, write down a simple step and how to solve this problem. And next is implement the solution. After implement an algorithm, after develop an algorithm and design this algorithm, develop this algorithm in a programming language, write down the code, using the one of the programming language, write down the code. And fourth method is a test. After write down the code, test cases is there if any error in this code or not. Next, why we design algorithm? Why algorithm we use? Computer are essentially problem solving device. Computer is one of the problem solving device. Computer solve problem. How computer solve a problem? Dividing the problems into a simple and small step, and that are expressed in the form of computer instruction. We are given to the computer instruction to the computer in the form of a program. What is a program? Program is a set of instruction that we give to a computer to solve a particular task. That's why we design an algorithm to give an instruction to the computer to write down the instruction in a simple language. We design an algorithm. And what is algorithm? Set of rules that define how particular problem can be solved in a finite number of steps is known as a algorithm. कुछ एक रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं जो डिफाइन करेंगे हाउ अ पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सॉल्व, एक पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे few number of steps में, that is known as an algorithm. Two main feature of the algorithm: algorithm is a step by step procedure to solve any problem. Algorithm always written in a simple language in a precise manner. And some of the rules for writing algorithm: one rule, assign statement number to each line. each हर एक लाइन में आपको स्टेटमेंट नंबर असाइन करना है, स्टेप वन स्टेप टू एक्सेट्रा. Algorithm always start with the begin and end with the stop. Always start, always begin with the start symbol, start. You have to write down the start, and in the end write down the stop. Write in each instruction in a separate line, and name given to a various component of algorithm. If you want to use some of the variables in the algorithm, and name given to a proper name given to a various component. And assignment of the values is done through this operator: right hand side value always assigned to the left hand side value. This is the rules for writing algorithm. Now come to the flowchart. What is a flowchart? Flowchart is a pictorial representation of step by solution. जो आपने एल्गोरिथम राइट डाउन की है, सेम एल्गोरिथम का हम फ्लोचार्ट डिजाइन करेंगे, एक पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ सिंबल्स एंड डायग्राम, विद द हेल्प ऑफ सिंबल्स एंड डायग्राम. Clear? Flowchart represent the flow of data in the sequence of with the help of symbols and diagram. And next, flowchart symbols. One of the symbol is a start symbol. This symbol is used for input and output. Parallelogram is used for processing. Rectangular box is used for decision box. This conditional box is used for connection of two flowchart. Connector is used, or for breaking of a flowchart. This connector is used for the data flow, for the instruction flow. These flow lines is used. Now, some of the example of flowchart: how to make a two number algorithm, addition of two number, how to write down algorithm, step 1, step 2, step 3. First rule is the write down the step number. Now, first, always algorithm start with the start and stop with the stop, and get two numbers. This is the main two numbers, and write down the given name to the component. Use two number n1 and n2, and after addition of n1 and n2 result given to the variable s. S is a variable, result is delivered to the s. Now print the result s. There is a flow chart, there is a start. Now read two number n1 and n2, read symbol is parallelogram, read n2. Now result processing is done. This is a processing step, and after this stop you also make a one of the in output box is here and write print s. This is all also you have to done. Next example is flowchart determine largest of. If you want to find out the largest between two numbers, algorithm is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Always start with the start and end with the stop. Get two number. If you want to find out the greater between two number a and b, two number, and if a अगर a greater है b से then display a, otherwise display b. This is a simple English algorithm. Now come to the flow chart and first start and read two number read a and b. Now come to the conditional box, a greater than. If a is greater than b, then display a. Write down the yes here and write down no here. If a is not greater than b, display b. After displaying a and b, stop. Now come to the stop. This is the algorithm and flowchart of the largest between, find out the largest between two numbers. This is our today topic. What is algorithm? What is flowchart? Thank you. Thank you everyone.